I'm standing before my Father. I am ready to come. I wait on my Father to say go. The trumpets are ready. The angels are ready. I'm going to call my people out of here. You're going to be safely with me. And I'm going to pour out my judgment on this world like never seen before. Multitudes are going to die. Men, women, boys, and girls are going to die. If any of the righteous die, they'll come to be with me. And if they are not, they will go straight to hell, saith the Lord. I've given you my word. I've given you 2,000 years to get right. But time is up. Your sins come before me daily and they stink. I've had enough. I'm ready to sit down with my family at the marriage supper of the Lamb and fellowship with my sons and daughters, whom I have groomed and raised for such a day as this. If you are one of the righteous, hang on. I love you. I'm coming. To those who want to be, your time is up. You're going to get right, or you're going to get left behind, saith the Lord. America, I have been very patient with you. I have announced your judgment, and it is coming. You will not survive it. You will not be the United States of America when I'm done with you. As I have said before, I'm going to make an example of you to the rest of the world. What happens to a nation that forgets me, that mocks me, tell me you don't want me? You will call on me in that day, and I will laugh at your calamity, saith the Lord.